Hey guys, there's unboxing of the vacuum cleaner Laresar model Elite 1. Let's dive into the box. As you see here is a redundant instruction. What can we see inside and how can we use that thing? These are a lot of units of this vacuum cleaner. The first of all is manual with the exact vacuum cleaner with power button here, button for switching modes. Also here what can we see, removable button right here. Then the ion battery, so you can just charge it with the exact vacuum cleaner as you wish. Here the head brusher with removable units right here, and look at this guys. Also here is the button to switch the exact headers for this thing. One of them for hardwood, this one, and the second supposed to be for the carpet. This is how it look like. Look like a little bit same. Then the long pipe with adjustable height. It can be long and short as you wish. There's two headers to vacuum some place with, if you want to sweep it off, and then also the vacuum. The long pipe also. It's really convenient to use if you have your own car. Or, for example, you have kids and they like to eat something with, pieces of food everywhere. So that was the redundant unboxing of this vacuum cleaner. Did you have that feeling about chasing all of your house to find something really helpful to when you're cleaning your house or warehouse or maybe your own car? So there's the solution. The special hook that you can use on your wall and find it at the same time when you are just starting your cleaning at home. That might be very useful. For example, if you have kids and they are messing around in your house, that's very helpful. Then let me remove the box. So vacuum cleaners might be adjustable with special battery that you can charge anyways. Then two units. The first one, adjustable header. You can sweep everything and also vacuum it. The long header, for example, for car and your sofa and any angles and everything like that. And the adjustable long pipe. Oh, other side. It might be long and short as you wish. And header. That's what it is.